Hey, it's Rebecca from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Today we're at a Hunter Douglas showroom in San Antonio, Texas, looking at all different types of window treatments and window coverings, and we're going to check out some shutters right now. So as you can see behind me are some interior window shutters, just a few different options. And window shutters are really cool because they give the interior of your home a certain feel and warmth that sometimes blinds or shades may not give. They do cover most of your windows, so if that's the style that you're looking for, then shutters are definitely great for you. If you want a more low-key type of window covering, shutters might not be the option you want to look for. But if you want to take a closer look at all of these options, these are some composite shutters. And as you can see, there's no tilt wand on this type of shutter. Whereas this one over here, we have the tilt wand that you can use to operate. These window coverings do not have the tilt wand on them, so you can easily just operate them with your hands. And then the ones right underneath have a much smaller slat. As you can see, these are very thick, and depending on the manufacturer and the contractor you work with, you'll have many different options for how thick you want the slats to be and how you want them to look. It all depends on who you work with. So if you like the larger slats, smaller slats, tilt wand, no tilt wand, it's all up to you. And many shutters as well, you can open them either, they'll be like a latch system so that you can open them up to get to the full window, or like these ones are magnetic. So you can open up to clean your windows, open your windows. So most window shutters can either be made from real wood or a composite wood type material, but they do have a very hefty and heavier feel to them, makes them super sturdy and long lasting. But again, with this tilt wand, you can run into some issues if you're pulling or tugging too hard, or if they become a little old and you have to crank them to try to open them, then you really want to get maintenance done on them because you don't want to damage your window coverings. This shutter is actually like a different shape. As you can see, these are like standard window shapes. Both of these two down here, it's about the average size of a window. This is a more custom sized window or full length door window shutter. So it all depends on the size of your windows and what your company can do for you. Sometimes shutters may not work out if you don't have a large enough window, or maybe you have a massive window. They might not make shutters that big. Ask your contractor. Like I mentioned, window shutters are great if you love the look of them. Obviously, they have a very different look than other window coverings, like blinds, shades, even drapes. So if you love a more homey feel or a rustic feel, then shutters might be the right window covering option for you. And also, depending on the contractor you work with and the manufacturer who makes the window shutters, you could choose with real wood, getting that wood grain look, or having them painted or manufactured to be a certain color, like white, black, gray, tan. So in this video, we just scratched the surface on window shutters. If you want to learn more about shutters and if they're right for you, the best thing you can do is reach out to your local trustworthy window treatment company and schedule a consultation to learn more and find the right window treatment for you. And if you're in the San Antonio area and you're looking for high quality Hunter Douglas window shades, shutters, or blinds, be sure to click the link above to schedule your commitment-free consultation with Southwest Exteriors and get the look you love coming home to.